Meet the quokka. At first glance, it just looks like a small, harmless animal, but the reason people talk about it so much is because of its face. It always looks like it's smiling. Not sometimes, not in certain moments, just all the time. Even when it's doing absolutely nothing, it still looks like it's in a good mood. Quokkas live in Australia, mostly on smaller islands, and they spend most of their time just walking around, eating, and resting. They're also known for being unusually calm around humans, which is why people are able to get so close to them. There's nothing dramatic about them. They're not fast, not aggressive, they just exist quietly. And somehow, that constant smile makes them stand out more than most animals. It's simple, but weirdly memorable.